Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about the plan and pricing of GitHub Copilot. Also, we will see how to set up it for VS Code or maybe for any other editor that you are utilizing. Okay, so we'll see what comes with the free version of GitHub Copilot and what all other paid versions are available and what all feature comes with those paid version and the pricing detail. Okay, so these things we will discuss, and then later we will see a demo how we can set up it in the VS Code. I'll show you how I already install and make everything ready for my development work, so that you can also refer the same steps. And once it is set up, then we will see the practical examples from tomorrow's session, from the next session. So this is how we are going to do this session. Okay, but before we proceed further with it, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released session first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow it sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for time being we are just mainly focusing on how to use we are mainly focusing on the setup part, right? How to set up it for VS Code. But prior to that, you should know what exactly the GitHub Copilot, right? That we already covered in last session. Okay, and for that you can also refer the Sharmit digital course book, which is freely available in the description box. There you will find more than 3,600 plus videos available in both Hindi as well as English language. So without any language barrier, you can easily consume the content, and if there is any query there, you can simply reach out to me through comment section to discuss that. Okay, alright, so now I think we are good to go ahead. And here you can see to know about the plans and pricing, what you can do, you can just simply search on your browser GitHub Copilot, and then you can see this first official website of GitHub, where you can just simply click on it. And once you click on it, you will see this portal with their official information. So here you will find all the information regarding the GitHub Copilot. Okay, or what you can do, you can directly click on this plans and pricing. Okay, otherwise if you scroll it down, you will find out this plan and pricing here itself. Okay, so these are the features mentioned here, and now we have reached this place where we can see all the plans. So basically GitHub Copilot comes with 3 plans. The first one is the free version, or you can say the trial version, which comes with limited control to the GitHub Copilot. For example, you can see what it include. It include 50 agent mode or chat request per month. Okay, 2000 completions per month, access to Haiku 4.5, GPT-5 mini and more, and also Copilot CLI. So this is all about the free version. Then we have second version, that is pro version. So pro version is coming with the price of $10 US per user per month. Okay, so you can see currently it is showing up upgrades are paused as we roll out the flexibility billing experience. We know this interrupts your flow. Okay, so something is under upgrade, so no worries. Once it is fixed, you can go and buy this pro version now. Okay, so then we have next thing, that is everything. Okay, so when you compare it with the free version, so you will get all the features that comes with free version. Additionally, you will find these extra things like Copilot Cloud Agent, Copilot Code Review, Claude and Codex on GitHub and VS Code, 300 premium requests with the option to buy more. Okay, so if you want to improve, if you want to increase the premium requests, you can buy more. Unlimited agent mode and chats with GPT-5 mini, unlimited inline suggestions, right? Access to models from Anthropic, Google OpenAI and more. So these all things comes with pro version. Now if you want to go to the Pro Plus version, you can opt this third model of GitHub Copilot that comes with the price of $39 per user per month. Okay, and if we compare it with this pro version, so you can see everything in pro and free. Yes, whatever we discussed till here will be included here, of course. Additionally, it will come up with these things like access to all models including Claude, Opus 4.7 and more. Okay, 5x as many premium requests as pro to use the latest model with the option to buy more. Okay, and access to GitHub Spark. So like if you want to do some research on these features, that you can do. Okay, but don't worry, like for the demo of this series I'll show you the things that you can perform with the free version also, because I'm assuming like most of us are utilizing the free version itself. Once you are comfortable with the process or the steps of it, then you can buy the paid version if needed as per your requirement. Okay, so this is for the individual user. Similarly, if you want to buy it for the business purposes, so you can opt any of these option. Okay, that is business $19 per user per month, and for enterprise we have $39 per user per month. Okay, so for that you need to contact with the sales team, GitHub sales team. Okay, all right, so these are the features. Now next thing is how to install it, right? Very important question. So you can see GitHub Copilot can be installed or used in all of these platforms. The first one is GitHub. You can use it on GitHub, VS Code, Visual Studio, Xcode, JetBrains IDs, Neovim, Eclipse, Raycast, SQL Server Management Studio, and also on Z. Okay, so for this series we will be using it for VS Code, but if you are using any of this, you can utilize that Copilot on that ID as well. Okay, now I'll show you how to install it. So to install it, you directly click on this VS Code button, and then it will show you that GitHub Copilot Chat extension is needed for your GitHub Copilot, right? So you can directly click on this install, and then it will ask you to open your Visual Studio Code. You can click here. In my case it is already installed, so you can see it is directly opening my edit panel. Like here I can directly write my prompt because it is already installed for me, right? But if in your case, if it is not installed, it will show you one button here to install it, and then you can simply install this GitHub Copilot Chat. It's not very typical process. You just need to install it as an extension, normal extension. Okay, so this is one way. Another way, like if you don't want to go through the website, it's fine. You can directly open the VS Code and then go to your extension box, and here you can just simply go and search for GitHub Copilot. That's it. So when you search for this, it will show you GitHub Copilot Chat on the first, and then you can use it. Okay, similarly other things are also there like modernization and all that we will discuss later, but only one thing is needed for now, that is GitHub Copilot Chat. Once it is installed, then you will like see this kind of option where you can open the chat, and this is the area like where we will write the prompt, and on the basis of prompt it will perform the task for us. Okay, you will also see, I'm not sure if this button is you are able to see it, but there is one button of icon of GitHub Copilot. I think it is truncated in the recording, but no worries. When we will be doing it practically, I'll show you everything. Okay, but today like we finally got the access to GitHub Copilot. Okay, and like it will be set up like once this Copilot is installed, chat is installed, you can simply log in it with your GitHub account, and then we can directly use it. Okay, so these are some basic steps. In case if you face any issues or if you need my help in any of the step, just simply mention your issue in the comment section. I'll try my best to help you out there. Okay, but I request and recommend you to please make these things ready before tomorrow's or next session, because like from next sessions, like we are going to see the things practically. I'll show you how to write prompt, how to perform the task on GitHub Copilot, right? And for that we will be using the Python, because I think Python is something common that anyone can understand easily, right? That's why we will be using the Python. Okay, but doesn't matter, like if you are using any other technology, it's completely fine. You can use for that purpose also. Okay, so it's free. Okay, it is up to you, like which one you want to use. Okay, both work for Copilot as well as VS Code. Yeah, so yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next session with new topics. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.